Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to bot 1000 Instagram followers instantly. So you might remember me from my previous channel where I had a lot of tutorials on how to get free Instagram followers and how to bot them, and I got a few couple viral videos with 100,000 views and stuff, but I got banned. But we're back now, so I'm going to make some tutorials again. So the account that we're going to be botting is called Live Lux Today 1. So I'm going to show you guys the account username and everything. So afterwards I'm done with botting, you guys can actually go to this account and you can verify that I've given all the followers to this actual account. And I'm not even logged in or signed up because this method is completely safe. You don't have to log into anything, download anything, nothing. All you need is the link and the username of the Instagram account. So we're going to be using Nizop.com, which is the best botting service. So on Nizop.com, you want to register or log in. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to log into my account. And you should be taken to their home screen where they have new order, mass order, services orders, support. Obviously, if your orders have issues and stuff, they respond pretty quickly. But yeah, I have 15 open support tickets as I've been using Nizop for a while now. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best way to bot the 1000 and the quickest way as well. So you want to go to new arrivals, 50% discount, the current limited time offer. I'm not sure if, or I'm pretty sure it'll still be there by the time you guys are watching this video. So be sure to go quickly. But we want to go to Instagram followers, instant, permanent, 1-year refill, and ultra fast. So I'm going to look through these, and it looks like this is the cheapest, and obviously it's permanent, which is what we want. So unless you want your followers to drop, you guys can go to Instagram followers not permanent or non-guaranteed Instagram followers. Here it says Instagram followers not guaranteed. These are ones that go away, so if you want to get 1,000 followers and make them go away 2 days later, they'll do that. But for this video, we're going to do permanent followers, okay? So now we just want to type in the link of the video, which is the link of the Instagram account, which is Live Lux Today 1. And then this, and it should show you the format they want you to put it in. So it's literally just this followed by your username. So this is obviously our link, and right now we're at 6,677 followers, and it is 11:03 a.m. So we're gonna do 1,000 followers, and it says average time 1 hour, and then we're gonna do purchase now, and then it should go through. Your order was placed, subscription ID. It gives you the ID of your order and stuff, and it gets saved to your orders, obviously. And here's the link. So I believe the estimated time was 1 hour. So I'll check back in a bit, or whenever they. Oh shit, they're already sending. Okay, never mind. I guess they're already sending. We got 6682, 6684. Okay, honestly, I did not know that they'd send that fast because I haven't done a tutorial like this in a while, obviously, since I got banned. But we went from 66, I already forgot, 6677 or something to 6699. And we can go to even a live Instagram follower count if you guys want to see. Live, real time. And then Live Lux Today 1. And obviously after this video, you guys can go to see, and you guys should be seeing 7,699. So, okay, we're already up 200, I believe. Okay, 6735. And then we're just gonna refresh in 10 seconds. And obviously this is our real-time count. So I'm gonna speed up the video a little bit to just let these numbers run up until it's 7,600 something, and we'll see what time it is, because I think it'll actually be a lot quicker than 1 hour, looking at the rate of it. But let me put this in again. Yeah, it just keeps going up. But yeah, be right back. So it is 11:20 a.m. and I believe we just reached the cap. And also one thing is that I think with Nizop, they sometimes send you more followers than you actually order, so you might get a few more than expected. So I think we got just one more, but sometimes if you order in bigger quantities, so if you order 10,000 followers, they might actually give you 11 or 10,100 or something like that. But yeah, so I think that's it for this video. You guys can go to this account, Live Lux Today 1, exactly his name, on Instagram yourself to see that I did in fact give it 1,000 followers, and that is at 7,670 something. So it's still gaining a little bit because Nizop gives you a little extra followers. But yeah, that's all for this video. You can message me on Instagram. My Instagram is in the description if you have any questions. So yeah.